Hi folks, I've just done this for Patreon. It's acrylic on watercolour paper, but using the acrylic as watercolour for the background, the sky and the underpainting, and then take a sponge and let fly with it. It's great fun to do. You can cover up, and whatever you put on, if it's too dark or too light, you can change it immediately, provided the paint's dry. And being acrylic, it does dry very quickly. Or you can use your hairdryer. But just a winter scene. Just a tutorial more than anything. All our paintings on YouTube are demonstrations, and are not really finished paintings. But in the last 8 years that I've been doing this, I haven't painted a single picture for myself and give it the degree of finish that it would need in a gallery. But I hope some of them come out reasonably well. Fairly limited palette, a couple of green, one green, couple of yellows, deep and pale, yellow ochre, ultramarine, Payne's grey, and a bit of cadmium red. That's about it. Probably botched this a bit, the roadway. But anyway, I'll clear up now. I hope you enjoy your weekend, what's left of it. Stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow for more of the same. Bye bye.